Streamline how you deliver, manage, and collaborate on Civil 3D projects with Autodesk Forma Data Management Essentials. In Civil 3D 2027, you can publish sheets as PDF deliverables directly from Civil 3D to Forma Data Management. Publishing finalized sheets to the cloud keeps deliverables organized, accessible, and connected to the latest project data. Forma Data Management Essentials is included with standalone Civil 3D subscriptions, providing foundational cloud-based project data management connected to Autodesk design tools. Users can stay informed throughout the project lifecycle with activity insights. View detailed properties, filter by DWG version, and compare file changes over time, all in one place. Activity Insights brings together capabilities from the previous DWG history tool to create a single source for exploring all drawing changes over the course of design. You can maintain consistent project standards and settings across teams with connected support files. CAD managers can define one set of project-aware support files and settings in Forma Data Management. This allows teams to view and edit DWG files with the intended support files without requiring additional steps to configure individual users or Civil 3D installations. Users can now quickly identify and resolve missing external drawing references with connected references. When working in Forma Data Management, the External References palette automatically suggests updated file paths for renamed or moved references, helping to reduce manual fixes and keep projects moving with fewer interruptions.